Hello! Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well today. Today, I'm going to be doing a nice light face of makeup, and I really want to talk about the skincare that I've been using. So let's just get right into it. My fiance's sister actually turned me on to this Korean skincare brand, and I've been actually really liking their products. It's called Eliza Vecca. There's like Milky Piggy, and then they have the Hell Pour, and then they have Witch Piggy and stuff like that. But Eliza Vecca is the umbrella brand. This is the Eliza Vecca Milky Piggy Hell Pour Cleanup, and it's like an enzyme powder. So literally, you just dump this powder into your hand and put water and rub it together, and it foams, and it's such an amazing cleanser. I've literally been using this every single day, and I feel like my skin is clearing up. I feel like my pores are shrinking. I feel like everything's just smoother and more like dewy. I've also been using the Galactomyces Ample Serum. It's more like a water consistency. It's not so like thick, but what I've learned about Galactomyces is it's made from like sake, I think, and they discovered that people in these sake factories, their hands were really like young and youthful looking, and that was because they were, you know, touching and doing all this stuff. I guess it's like a fungal. Honestly, guys, I'm not gonna act like I know what I'm talking about here. This is just like what's been working for me, and what I've been noticing has been like making a huge difference in my skin. So yeah, if you want to try the Galactomyces, I highly recommend it. You can also go on YouTube and, you know, watch a bunch of different videos that they definitely know more than me when it comes to this. My next serum I use is the 97% hyaluronic acid serum. This stuff is amazing too. It just makes me feel moisturized. My skin feels firmer and plumper every time I use it. So this is the order that I do everything in too. I go cleanser, Galactomyces, hyaluronic acid, and then I use this hyaluronic moisture memory cream, and this shit is so freaking cool. I made Dylan like look at it the other day because it's like completely smooth. You see that? Like there's no indents or anything, and I can literally, like, it comes with these little scoops. You scoop it out, put it all over your face, and by the time you've rubbed everything in, it's back to this like firm, I don't know. I messaged Brittany and I was like, dude, this shit is witchcraft, because I've never seen like a jelly, you know, like moisturizer like this before, and the fact that you can like, it just like smooths itself out. It's really weird. I'm like, am I crazy? But it's a 50% hyaluronic acid moisturizer as well. Next, I'm going to be showing you this retinol cream. It's EGF Retinol Elastic Cream, and it's by the same company, Eliza Vecca. And I've been using this before I go to bed, and when I wake up, my skin is so... Sometimes I get little dry spots, which I've learned with retinol is actually pretty common. Your skin is like rejuvenating itself, and you know, sometimes it will. I noticed the first day I used it, I started peeling a little bit right here, but I'm totally okay with that because peeling means new skin is coming up underneath, and especially I get those 11 lines right there. That's definitely something that I want to keep at bay. So retinol, yes. And then I also have been using this hyaluronic gold. These are eye patches, you know, like the underneath the eye patches. And I've been using these like every single day. And like right when I wake up, I'll do my whole face cleansing routine, and I'll do like 20 minutes with these on. And my eyes just feel like so much brighter, and, you know, less puffiness, less wrinkles. Like now that I'm 30 years old, I gotta start like, you know, preventing that kind of stuff. So anyways, that has been my skincare routine. Very Korean K-beauty skincare routine. That's just, in my research, what I've learned works best for me and for a lot of other people is mainly hyaluronic acid and retinol. Those are the two ingredients that people like swear by. The Galactomyces is something that's new to me, so I'm going to be, you know, continuing to use it, and I'll let you guys know if I see any difference. Honestly, I've been seeing differences on my hands recently, just in like dark spots on my hands, because I get little spots, you know, sunspots on my hands, and any excess, you know, product that I have on my fingers left left over from putting it on my face, I always rub it into my hands, and I've definitely noticed a difference on my hands. That shit is crazy. So anyways, off of my skincare soapbox, I wanted to do a face today with just like cream stuff. And well, it's not really just cream stuff. It's mostly just how I've been doing my makeup since I've been going to work. I've been using this Eliza Vecca BB cream. Guys, this is not sponsored by Eliza Vecca. I got on Amazon and I like did this whole haul, and I'm like, you know what? Why the fuck not? I'm just gonna try this shit. We'll see if it works. I'm not normally a BB cream person, but this stuff is actually really, really amazing. From what I saw, they, you know, because I looked up reviews and stuff, from what I saw, most people just apply it with their fingers, and I have been doing that too, but I also like to use a sponge every once in a while. So I'm gonna show you. This is BB cream that also has SPF, and it says whitening and wrinkle care. Something I've noticed in Korean beauty is they do use a lot of whitening products, which I'm not opposed to. To me, whitening products is no different than, you know, like a tanning product. It just depends on the look that you're going for. So this is just the BB cream with SPF. I've been using this mainly if I use retinol during the day, which I don't recommend because retinol, I guess, breaks down with UV light and it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So if you do use a retinol cream during the day, you have to put on an SPF. So this is just a BB cream with SPF in it. It has kind of a weird smell. That's the only thing about it. It smells like Play-Doh, you know? Like I'm not too down with the smell of it, but that's okay. I can get over it, obviously. Like I love the way it works. I think it does such a good job keeping my skin moisturized, and it's just so cool how it goes on so light, but as you work it into your skin, it changes. That's like the point of a BB cream, is it like adjusts to your skin tone. So that's like the base that I've been doing recently. It's just like a BB cream base because it's super light, and like I said, it's SPF 50, and we all need to keep the sun away. So after that, I'm going to do an eyebrow. And what I've been doing for brows lately, guys, I've been like, I don't know what it is. I just like stick to the same products and I use them for different things. You know, I use different tools to get different effects, but I use the same products in different ways. So I'm gonna use this Revolution Ultra Brow Professional Makeup Palette that I got it a while ago. It's pretty sweet, to be honest. And I'm just gonna use this. It's like a cream pomade, brow pomade. And I'm gonna use this little flat brush, but this brush also has, I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of like spacey like this. It's like, rather than all the bristles together. And what I've been doing with that is just using that as my like brow strokes. So I start from the bottom of my brow and I just flick upwards, and that kind of fills in all of those spaces in my brow, and it gives like a really nice natural filled in brow look rather than the typical chunky, you know, overly filled brow. And yeah, just like upward flicks and then continuing until I get to the tail. But that's really been my brow lately, just like super natural. And then I tap again, see, and flick upwards. And I have kind of been coming in a little bit more on my brow just because I want to kind of make the bridge of my nose look a little skinnier. When your brows are like so far apart, it makes you kind of look like alienish because it makes your eyes look further apart and it makes your nose look bigger. So I recommend bringing them in a little bit closer if you can. Next, I'm using that same pomade, like that same cream color right here. And this is what I've been using it as my contour. So I just tap it on my finger like that, and then I, you know, just make it a fucking cream contour because I didn't want to purchase a cream contour when I already have creams in my palette, you know what I mean? And it blends out pretty well. Like, and I feel like it just makes everything look more cohesive. Like my art teacher used to say in high school, she would not let us use out of the bottle green or like out of the bottle purple. If we wanted a green or a purple, we had to mix our own colors and we had to learn the color wheel. And I think very, very similar rules go with makeup. The less you use, the better. How awesome does that look? That's literally just a brow pomade that I turned into a cream contour, and like everything just goes together rather than using like a Hoola bronzer, which is a lot warmer. I'm very much for the cohesiveness, and it's more interesting. Like, hello, now I'm not like just like a regular plain Jane out of the bottle cream contour. Like, I'm not using a fucking stick, a cream contour, KKW, you know, Kylie, Kendall, all that bullshit. Like, use what you have. If it's the right texture, you can definitely use it for different things, you know? I've been loving this look lately. Like, in my birthday vlog, this was the same look that I did. I used cream contour, my brow pomade as a cream contour, you know? Works. So next, I'm gonna use my same little eyebrow brush and I'm gonna do my nose contour. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a line like that from my brow coming in, and I'm just gonna kind of stamp that. Boom, 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 boom. You can also do this with your fingers. I have been doing this with my fingers recently, and I feel like sometimes it works better. So it's not as like angular, you know? But then I tap, 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 tap-a-roo. And now look at that fucking snatched nose. Okay, we need to continue down because now I look like I have a bulb. It's not cute. So I just kind of continued it down a little bit further. There we go. Look at me flipping everybody off. This is so awesome. So also in this little brow palette, this Revolution brow palette, there's like a cream highlight. So you can also use that and just go right down the middle, make her look nice and pointy. Damn, okay. Yeah, girl. Cute. Kind of. What do we think? I gotta look in my regular mirror. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Nice. Okay, so next, I'm gonna show you guys this new product that I've been using. It's by Anna Sui. It's actually a cream blush, but it's black. Like, isn't that the craziest thing? I thought it was super cute, maybe a little gimmicky, but I was like, fuck it, I wanna try it. It smells divine. It smells like roses. Rose is like my favorite scent of life, but it's black and it changes color with the moisture in your skin. So it's kind of like if you grew up in the 90s like I did, we loved like mood lipsticks and stuff like that, and it's kind of like that. Like, I'll show you. So it's like kind of a deep purpley. It's a cream blush, so I've been using it as blush, but then also you can use it as an eyeshadow or even like a lip color, and it's been one of my go-to lip colors lately. So because you can use it as a cream blush or a lip or an eye, you can continue that cohesive look that I'm going for, you know what I mean? By just using, literally I've used 3 products on my whole face, and it's just such a pretty blush color, you know? And it helps give that cute diffused, you know, Korean diffused lip too. And you can like literally put it everywhere. Cute. See, and with this BB cream, it keeps you super dewy, so I don't even feel like I need a highlighter. I'm going to use some of this rose water face mist just to kind of give her a set. And my mom gave me this Clinique High Impact Mascara for my birthday, and it's been my go-to mascara. I love the wand on it. I'm very much a natural wand person. I do like the silicone ones too, but I feel like the regular wands like just kind of give you a more full effect on your lashes. So I've been doing that, and then a little touch on the bottom. Like, not a lot, just like a little touch. And that's my look, guys. You probably can't see because of the ring light, but it's very natural, dewy, like not trying too hard. Cohesive, because I have the same lip, cheek, and eye color, and then eyebrow and contour, both the same color too. So if this is a look that you are interested in recreating, please tag me in it or comment below saying, hey Kelsey, I'm gonna try this. I really appreciate everybody who watches my videos. I am so sorry that all of the drama happening right now like is just insane, but I try not to. I mean, I do like to keep up on it because I like to keep myself informed and learn from other people's mistakes, you know? I don't know why we have to tell people that it's not okay to... I'm not gonna go there. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff, and I hope to see you again soon. Catch you later. Mwah. Love you, bye. Moisture memory cream? Oh, shit. Oh. And I don't know, I don't want to get too into it, but yeah, I'm not gonna get too into it. Excuse me. It's been one of my go-to lip cover. Guys! It's been one of my go-to lip colors. Shut up! But then, like I said, it's like also keeping with that cohesive... Shut up! It's been like going with that cohesive... Zerk! I swear to God. Dad's home, so we gotta let everybody know